We've all heard the phrase, it's not the size that matters. Well, I'm going to give you guys some hope and show you a prime example of this. Today we're taking a look at the Archer Mini from ThruNite. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, a manual, and a flashlight so tiny even the manliest of man would say, "Aw, that's cute." It's literally the size of a lighter. However, don't let its tiny size fool you. They pack a lot in this 3.26-inch flashlight. It delivers 405 lumens and can shine up to 285 feet, or 87 meters. But before I test it fully, we gotta charge it. The charge port is hidden nicely under the screw cap. I thought this was genius. I love being outdoors, and because of that, I'm always getting dirt or sand in my charge ports. This keeps it out of the way and easily accessible when you need it.
A few moments later.
Now that it's charged and ready to go, I decided to go out and get some tests with it. I was pretty satisfied. It was a handy little work light, and I could see the dual direction clip coming in handy in multiple different situations. Now all I got to do is wait for the sun to go down and give it a proper test. Now one of the great things about this dual direction clip is that it can clip to a hat. This makes for the perfect little light to have when you're working or out on a walk at night. So now that the sun's down, we're charged and we're all ready to go, I decided to go on a walk and test it out. I walked around the dark and used it on my hat mount. It was a good time. I didn't have to think about the flashlight once. It lit my way and it was bright enough to see, but not bright enough to attract any bugs. It was perfect. I was sold and thought this was a great little flashlight. But then I realized this whole day I've been testing it on the low setting. There was a high setting this whole time. You single click to turn on to low. But when you double click, it turns into a full-blown spotlight. I took it outside to test it real quick, and the first thing I saw was a deer all the way across the field in the woods. I could see its eyes glowing. This is a good 300 or 400 feet away, and I was still able to see the reflection of the eyes. We've all heard the phrase before, caught like a deer in the headlights. But have you ever heard the phrase, caught like a deer in the light of your little pocket flashlight the size of a lighter? Okay, that was bad. Not even the deer liked that one. This little flashlight is awesome at half power, and at full power, you're sure not to miss a thing. If you're looking for a convenient little flashlight that's small but mighty, then the ThruNite Archer Mini is for you. It's rechargeable, lightweight, super bright, and comes complete with a dual direction pen clip, allowing you to wear it on your person or hang it up to light your workspace. And if that's not enough, you could triple click to enable turbo or strobe mode. This setting would be perfect for emergency situations or potentially even raves, but probably not rave-related emergencies. That would be counterproductive. I'm just kidding. You can throw it in your survival kit and forget about it, clip it to your backpack, or just leave it in your workstation to look for those lost screws. It has a runtime of 7.5 hours, and it's even IPX8 waterproof, making it perfect for backpacking, hiking, or outdoor use. I'm definitely going to use this little guy as long as I don't lose it first. It's just so tiny. If you'd like to get one for yourself, there'll be a link in the description below. Till next time, I'm going to go on another night hike. See ya.